nga sa'yo, thank you at naklik mo tong video kong to dahil i-share ko nga dito kung paano tayo mag-download ng videos or galing sa Instagram papunta sa ating phone gallery mismo. So, napakadali lang nito dahil hindi na natin kailangan mag-download ng app para magawa to. So, please keep on watching. First, easy open lang po natin yung ating Instagram. Okay. Tap natin yan. And pili lang kayo dito ng photos or videos na gusto nyong i-save or i-download. Okay, so for example, videos. Dito tayo sa Reels, maghanap.
Don't you ever give up. Don't you ever give up on you. Don't you ever give up on your dreams. Because no matter what, if it is meant for you, it will not miss you. And just know, you don't make it at 10, you can make it at 30. You don't make it at 30, you can make it at 50. You don't make it at 50, you can make it at 60 and still give them goodness.
Wow, ang ganda nun. So, for example, yun yung gusto nating i-download or dahil nga napakaganda, inspirational message siya. So, gusto nating i-share, diba? So, itap lang natin tong tatlong line na to. Yan. And, tap lang natin tong see where to share and link. And dito sa may baba, tap lang natin yung copy link. Okay, so copied na siya. And then, punta na tayo sa Google. Ito, tap natin yung Google. And search lang natin dito yung Snap Insta. Yan. Yan, ito na, Snap Insta. Yan. So, kung makikita nyo, meron ditong Snap Insta app at merong Snap Insta na website.com. So, ito yung itap nyo, yung website. Okay po. Yan. Okay. And then, tap natin itong paste URL Instagram. I-long press natin. Long press. Tap nyo lang siya ng matagal. And, tap nyo yung paste. So, ito na yung link. O, diba? Ito na yung link ng video na napanood natin na gusto nating i-save. Ngayon, itap lang natin tong download. Okay. So, sabi dito, masyado daw mahaba yung file name. Ngayon, iiksian lang natin. So, i-delete lang natin yung ibang words. Yan. So, after nyan is try na natin itap yung download. Kung okay na ang kahit ganyan kahaba yung file. So, okay na. So, ayan, ang bilis. Naka-download tayo agad. So, ngayon tingnan natin sa ating phone gallery. Dito sa ating videos. Yan. So, ito na agad siya. Okay? Speaker yan.
Don't you ever give up. Don't you ever give up on you.
So, yun. Ganun lang po kadali. At kung nakatulong nga sa iyo ang video kong to, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips, tutorials, and updates. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you next time. Bye!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray